Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope you've been creating something amazing. Jumping on because I'm about to play with a couple of the newer blanks that I've created. These have already been painted with some gold paint just for time's sake because it has to dry. I'll show you the paint that I used. But before I painted them, I stained them on both sides. Brown and gold. Beautiful, beautiful. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I'm going to resin the top of this and complete off these earrings and show you what they look like at the end. Before I go any further, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that presses play. You subscribe, you hype, you comment, and I read all the comments, so keep them coming. That helps the channel and it makes my heart happy. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. All right, let me show you what I got. This is my favorite little tool for resin. I think it's called a scoring tool. I will have, I'll find a link. I'll try to find a link to everything as usual, yada yada, right? Links will be below. So the paint that I'm using is the Folk Art Gold Treasure, and I put it into a little bottle to make it easier for me to dispense around the edges. You don't have to do this, but I did. And you can see it's got all that mica, so it settles a little bit. So that's the paint. I'm going to be using this resin. I will be using my UV lamp. What else? This tool. I'll probably just brush on the first coat like I normally do. So you'll need a brush if you're going to do it like I do. And I think that's it. It's not a whole lot going on here. You can paint this with whatever you want, but I feel like zenning out into the resin zone. So that's what I'm about to do. All right. Let me go ahead and brush this on. I hope everybody is doing well. And let's see, I'm gonna put the top in here. Okay, let's get started. A little bit of resin. This paint is going to pop. Let's see. I wanted to do several different things with this one. I wasn't sure what, because it's so unique, and I didn't want to put a whole lot of stuff on it to take away from its funky little design. So I just decided to put some extra snazzy gold paint. Now, you can paint this with bronze, silver, whatever you want to do with this blank. My goal with these blanks is to provide you with something that inspires you to create something different. And in order to create something different, you have to have a starting point that's different. So this earring blank is one of many to come, unique designs to help you stand out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this under the lamp. I am gonna pop some bubbles first though, because I do see a couple of them. All right, under the light you go. Okay, first coat down. Let's get it in. I think one more will do, but let's just see. If I don't make a mistake and get it off the edge. Oh my gosh.
can speak. Flow holds me here. I create to come. I come to create. A